Hello everyone, in today's video I just wanted to do a quick overview on how to use Google's new Gemini Advanced to come up with keyword research ideas, go through and help create the outline to go through and then create the actual blog post. What you want to go through and do first, and I'll include all these prompts in a Google Doc inside my course that will be linked in the description, is I need research ideas for my blog posts. I am an SEO agency. You'll replace SEO agency with whatever type of business you are. And then I will go through and come back with a list of several different keywords that you could go through and target. For this one, I decided to go after these zero-click searches. So your next one will be, okay, I have decided to write a blog post about zero-click searches. I need an outline, LSI keywords, and entities that all go along with that. So it goes through and comes up with blog title, options, the outline, LSI keywords, entities, then some additional tips for you. Your next prompt is going to be, okay, now I want you to write the first third of this article using LSI keywords and entities where you think relevant. The importance of using these LSI keywords and entities is so that way you make your article more relevant to the actual keyword while not overstuffing your main keyword. Then we'll go through and write the first third. You'll say, please write the second part of the article. Go through and write the second part, and then you'll come back saying, please write the third and final part of the article. I will write that. Then what I like to go through and do, just because AI generated content doesn't do this just on its own, is generate a concise answer to the search intent for the keyword, and then just input your keyword right there. So it comes back saying zero-click searches or search engine results that have provide the answer directly in the search results page. And then it just goes through and gives a short little answer that you'll go through and can put in the introduction of your blog post instead of the introduction that it came up with up here. Since I'm at this one here, doesn't really answer the search intent. So now what we're going to do is just the formatting on the back. So for the most part, you're just going to want to copy and paste what Google just went through and gave you, and just through it, make sure that there's nothing our AI tools. So here you can go through and see that it's only EAT. So you'll want to, and then you will go through and come back and grab the first part of your article, and then just skip that introduction if you just do the fact that that wasn't, and then just then you'll come back in and just format your back and grab, and then a couple other things is write me a conclusion that mentions zero-click searches. So you'll just replace that with whatever keyword you're targeting. So now you'll just go through and copy that, bring it back over CMS, edit once again. Typically, what I'll go through and do is, if it bullet points like this, I'll put it to paragraph and then just separate questions from answers, so I can go through and make just so that optimized for. So now that you have that all optimized, and then just change your URL slug to what. So that is a guide on how to use Google Gemini Advanced to go through and fully create and start to finish. Like I said, I'll go through in the SLP, my course that I'll go